Hey, I'm Leanne, and this is my review of our blackout curtains. These work really well. You can see the navy color here. They're extremely thick. So I'm in bright sunlight. You can see absolutely no sunlight getting through. And when I close these blinds, they slide along our curtain rod here. It gets dark quickly. So you can see how my room kind of changed color. And then I'm gonna pull my other one over just to give you another impression. So I think I've got a little coming in on this side. But we really just went from full daylight to full interior lighting. I'll show you the hem on these. I have mine pretty high, but the hem is nice. So it's double stitched here and you get like an inch thick of a hem on it. And then at the top, you can also see it just slides easily into the hole. So you have that padded opening. The curtain rod just stitches right into it. They're extremely easy to put up. We've had these up for about 3 years, but I've actually had some up in my living room for almost 6 years. And I'm really happy with them. The navy does not fade at all. I live in Florida. The sun is really harsh. I have some lighter ones and they have faded a little bit, but the navy has had no fading. So I'm happy with these curtains. They look great. And I'll give you a full picture look real quick. Here's that full look. And I definitely recommend these curtains.